Perimeter is the total distance covered if you travel around all sides of a flat shape. Flat shapes are also called two-dimensional shapes because they have only length and width, but they do not have any depth. In this lesson, we are going to learn how to find the perimeter of very common flat shapes. Let's start with a triangle. A triangle has three sides, and the perimeter of the triangle is the sum of all three sides. Let's take a look at an example of finding the perimeter of a triangle. So our directions tell us to measure the perimeter of this triangle. So we have our three sides of the triangle, and you'll see that there's a number with a unit next to each side. So when I see this 12 and the M here, that tells me that this side of the triangle measures 12 meters in this triangle that we are working on. This here, when I see a 5M, that tells me that this side of the triangle has a measurement of 5 meters. And then on my third side of the triangle over here, and I see a 13 and an M, that tells me that the measurement of this side of the triangle is equal to 13 meters. So to find the perimeter of this triangle, all I need to do is add these three measurements together, and then I want to make sure that I report my answer with the same unit that is measured here in my triangle, meters. So I simply need to take the three measurements, 12 meters plus 13 meters plus 5 meters, and I add those all together. 12 plus 13 is 25 plus 5 is 30, and I forgot to put my little measurement here, which is okay. I just need to make sure though when I report the answer that I have my unit measure. So 12 plus 13 is 25, add 5 is 30. So my total sum of all three sides is 30, and then I need to make sure that I report my measurement with my units of meters. So the measurement of the perimeter of this triangle has a perimeter of 30 meters.